Welcome to Chris 2A Gear Reviews, and today we will be installing the first on YouTube custom aftermarket Lexus ES350 rear trunk emblem. This will be the first ES350 on YouTube with this custom aftermarket emblem. If you're interested in this emblem, I want to show you the eBay retailer that I actually got it from. Let me roll that in for you right now. Okay, so with that being said, I want to keep this install video very streamlined and very short. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to go out there. From what I've been seeing on YouTube, you could take dental floss to kind of break through the adhesive that's on the current logo that's on the vehicle. We're not going to do a full video of me doing this. Once I actually get the dental floss and we see that yes, this will work, we'll pause the video. I'll go ahead and completely remove it. Then we'll move on to the next step. Once we see that the goof off, we'll take off the old adhesive. We'll pause the video. I'll remove all of the adhesive and we'll continue on with the process. I want to keep this very short and streamlined. With that being said, let's go outside to the Lexus ES350 and make this official. Alright, step one, I double up on the dental floss. Let's see if this will break through that adhesive. Alright, let me get some more dental floss. Alright, so now I tripled up on it and I made it a little bit more longer. Ooh. I think I know what I'm gonna have to do. Hold on for a second. Alright, as you can see, we got the emblem off. This is the emblem right here. We got it off of there. Now I'm gonna tell you what the deal is with this dental floss. You use the dental floss to get it started, to kind of break down whatever area you can get to. For me, it was right here. I was able to get up in here and I took my key, just a key on my key ring, and I slid it in there and I started working it out. And then eventually, that's just nothing but adhesive right here. That's all it is adhesive. And you got these two metal alignment pins right here. So that what aligns the emblem so that it'll be straight on the vehicle. So, if all you want to do is just paint this black and then reinstall this, all you have to do is get your dental floss, find your area where you can get it worked at, start peeling it off, and all I did was just, once I got it out far enough, I just peeled it all the way around and it came straight from off of there. So now we need to remove all that adhesive from off of here. So let's go ahead and do that with this glue gun. Alright, so we got some glue gun on our tile right here. Let's go ahead and start scrubbing. Now I haven't sprayed it directly on the vehicle yet. I just want to work it in, get it worked into the surface. Let it start doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah, all that is just adhesive. So we'll go ahead and just keep putting it on the rag, scrubbing it off. Let me pause the video and we'll come back once we finish. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. I'm I'm taking a flathead screwdriver and I'm just barely sliding it across to get that top layer of adhesive off of there. You're going to have to use something to get this top layer of adhesive off, and then you can glue on the rest of that right there. But as long as you got that thick top layer right there, there's nothing you can do. Now if I had some kind of plastic chisel, that'll be perfect, but this is what I'm forced to have to use, and I'm just being very cautious. And we have to be honest about this whole thing. This emblem right here is going to basically cover up everything, so if there are any scratches, you won't be able to see them any damn way. So I'm just going through getting this top layer from off of here. Once we get this top layer off, we should be able to come back with the glue gun and just a towel and get the rest of it off of there. So let me go ahead and go through that process now. Alright, so we got our surface prepped up and ready. I want to give you a secret to getting that old adhesive off there. You want to get you a towel, old towel, a towel like this, one of them good old rough old school towels. Put your glue gun on here and just work it back vigorously. And eventually it'll start breaking off and all that old adhesive will come from off of that surface. Now this is what I did. I took some rubbing alcohol and I cleaned that area. We got our emblem. Let's go ahead and do a test fit. That's what it'll look like. The alignment posts line up. As I look at it, that L isn't crooked. Looks damn good. So that's a test fit right there. Now I want to see something. This comes with adhesive already on it. That's what's on that yellow backing right there. I don't trust that. I'm going to put some super glue. As you can see, I got the Gorilla Glue. Max Strength. Construction adhesive. I'm going to put that on the back of here to make sure that that emblem will not come from off of here. But I want to see something first. I'm going to take 2 little small dabs and put them right here. Push it up against there to see if this area lays flat right here. So let me go ahead and do that right now. So that sun is getting ready to come up and it is getting hot out here. So let's go ahead and knock this out. Ugh. Okay, I need to open that hole up a little bit more, but this will be enough to test to see if this area will lay flat. Let me see. Push it in. Nope, I don't think it lays flat on that surface. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do is, when I put the super glue on it, I'm gonna focus the super glue on the outside portion and I still put some on the inside. So what I'm gonna do is, let me go ahead and open that hole up more on that glue, get the glue set, and we're finna push it on there. All right, this is the moment of truth. This is how I got the super glue on it. Time to go ahead and push it on and make it official. The first Lexus es350 on YouTube with the custom rear emblem. Now we're just going to sit here and just push it. So we got double adhesive on it. We got the adhesive that came from the seller on it, and we got that top of the line Gorilla Glue construction grade super glue on it. We just want to push it and hold it in place. Let me pause the video while I do that. No need for y'all to sit here and see me pushing. It's important to note, while I'm sitting here pushing it, any excess glue that starts to spill from out the outside, I'm wiping it down as I'm sitting here and pushing it. I'll probably stay out here looking crazy pushing this thing for about 10 minutes. Looking crazy as hell. I'm just going around cleaning it. Alright, so we got it on there. According to Gorilla Glue, it needs to cure for 24 hours. I don't think I can press it any more than what I've already pressed it. So we're just going to let it sit, let it cure, and I'll make sure I keep you updated on it. As it stands right now, it's on there. And I think we got us a winner. I think once it cures and hardens to the surface, that thing ain't going nowhere. Because if that falls off the vehicle, that's $130+ just pissed away. So that's why I went ahead with that super glue. We want to make sure that we got a good solid fit. I see that I still got a little glue coming up from up out of here. So let me just wipe that down one final time. Boom. We good to go. Let it sit. And we'll do a video tomorrow. Alright. This is an extra little bonus. What I did was I found some white paper and I taped it over top of the emblem. And the reason why I did that, because this is one of them good old hot Middle Tennessee days right here. And I put the white paper up there to kind of reflect some of that heat to allow that super glue to properly cure on that surface. I probably should have did this overnight and allowed the vehicle to sit, but I had to do it right now because I got to work tomorrow. So I brainstormed. I put some white paper over top of it. You want to let that reflect the heat so that super glue can properly adhere.